In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Adobe Acrobat with Key. We'll walk through the exact screens you'll see, explain what each option means, and share a few quick tips to make sure your key registers smoothly the first time. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Adobe Acrobat Home at acrobat.adobe.com. This is the central hub for Acrobat, and it's the easiest place to begin the activation process. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection and your product key handy. You'll typically find that key on a retail card, inside a box, or in a purchase confirmation email from an authorized seller. Once the page loads, look to the upper right corner and click your profile icon. If you're not already signed in, you may be prompted to log into your Adobe account. Use the account you plan to keep for your Acrobat license so the product stays linked to you. Next, choose Manage Account. This opens your account settings in a new tab and takes you directly to the place where Adobe stores your plan details, products, and billing preferences. In the account area, click Plans and Payment. This section helps Adobe confirm your identity and align your license with your plan. Don't worry, we're not changing billing here, we're just navigating to the correct page. Now select Products. This is where Adobe lists software you own or have registered. You should see an option to enter a product key or redeem a code. Go ahead and enter your product key exactly as it appears. Be careful with characters that look similar, like the letter O and the number 0. If your key includes hyphens, you can type them or paste the full key. Adobe will format it correctly. If you're pasting, make sure there are no extra spaces at the start or end. When the key is in place, click Register. Adobe will validate the code and, if everything checks out, link Acrobat to your account. You should see a confirmation and the product listed under your registered items. From here, Acrobat will recognize your activation when you sign in on your device. If you see an error, double-check the key's characters, confirm you're signed into the correct Adobe account, and make sure the key matches your region and product edition. Keys can only be used once, so if it says it's already been redeemed, contact the seller or reach Adobe support through the Help or Support link in your account. That's it. Your Acrobat license is now activated with your key and tied to your Adobe account.